gonna say hi? Look, say hi. Hey guys, I'm V. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be going over how to do your very own tousled beach waves right in the comfort of your own home. I know quarantine right now is really sucky, and I know we aren't able to travel anywhere, so at least if you want the feeling like you just stepped off the beach, watch this video today.
Do you like my beach waves?
All right, so first thing is first, I wanted to share with you what tools I like to use in my hair and on my clients' hair when I'm working. I use the Nano Titanium Babyliss Pro flat iron. Usually heat it up to about 375 and 450 between there. And then I also use the Babyliss Pro curling iron. This is 1.25 inches. I really love the 1.25 inches, the size of the barrel. But if you'd like a tighter curl, use a smaller iron, maybe like 1 inch. Or if you want like a bigger curl, maybe use like 1.5 inches. So whatever your preference is on whether you want tighter beach waves, almost like a crimped look, or looser beach waves. I just like the medium, like looser beach wave look. Check it out. Okay, so my hair is already dry and ready to go, as you can tell. It's nice and smooth. I use the number 6 OLAPLEX bonding smoother, which is this. And then I also use the number 7, which is the bonding oil by OLAPLEX. Okay, so first step is drying, which obviously you can tell my hair is already dry. It's just rough dried. So the first step I'm going to do is I always leave this front section for last. There's no need to do it right now. I don't like my front pieces curled that much. So I'm just gonna kind of show you how I quickly just run through my hair on one side, and then I'll kind of slow it up on the other side. All right, so here we go. So I always section this out, so just leave this front section out. And I just go through and take long vertical sections in through the top, and then I just kind of reach through my hair and grab the bottom. For the tousled beach waves, you do not need to do like perfect curls, perfect waves. You don't need to get every single piece of hair on your head in a curl. That's why it's called the tousled beach waves. You want the texture in your hair. So I will go through and just show you. Here we go. So I just take a section, a long vertical section, go through it once to smooth it out and get the heat on there. And then you just kind of wrap it once and pull straight down, leaving your ends in, which create this straight look. I don't ever do away from, towards, away from. I just personally don't like that look. But I mean, there's so many different ways you can do this. So whatever you're comfortable with and whatever style you like, you can do. See, I'm just grabbing random long vertical sections. Pull straight down. I'm just kind of quickly going through it. Notice that I'm not focused on which hairs I'm grabbing and how big the section is, how small the section is. Okay, so as you can tell, it's very soft, the look of it. It's just very loose. And now you see how I didn't get this underneath section here. Now you can go in and just kind of curl it to how you want it curled. I just kind of flip the hair out of my way. Leave the ends out, pull straight down. Grab underneath. Leave the ends out and pull straight down while your ends are still clamped in there. Okay, so as you can tell, this little front section right here is not curled yet. I didn't even touch that yet. So now you can go in, take the front section, and I just like it lightly curled, so I'm just gonna kind of go over it quick and just kind of bend it just like that. All right, so this side looks to be done. Okay, here we go with the left side. I'm just gonna slow it down a little bit just so you can really clearly see what you're going to be doing on yourself. So again, I'm just gonna leave this little front guy right out front until the very end. And we're gonna stay over there. We're gonna take the first section, which is right next to that front section, drag it forward a little bit, twist it once, leave your ends out, and pull straight down. Then we're gonna take the next section, right next to it. Heat it up, turn it once, turn it twice, however many times you want to. Leave your ends out and pull straight down. That's what gives you these straighter little pieces here, which give it the nice tousled look. Helps give the hair texture, a little more movement. Here we go, take another long vertical section. And guys, these sections don't have to be very big and they don't have to be very small. I like to just kind of grab it as I go. I really don't measure each section at all. I like to just feel it, and when I feel the right width or thickness in my hair, whatever you want to call it, that's when I just know. Pull straight down. And I'm just grabbing, as you can tell, like along the top hairline right here. I'm not going underneath yet, I'm just doing the whole top section first. Leave the ends out, pull straight down while your ends are still clamped in there. Okay, so the next step is grabbing everything underneath and just kind of intertwining it through everything. So take this hair underneath. See how I just moved my curl out of the way? I don't need to like section it off with a clip or anything. So if you don't have any clips, don't worry. Spin it once or twice, drag it through. I'm just moving the top curls out of the way. Take another section. Spin it once or twice. Leave your ends clamped in there, pull straight down. All right, and here's a little front section that I saved for last. And I'm kind of liking how it's falling now. I just want to give it a little bend, like right in through here where my top of my cheekbone is. Okay, as you can tell, I have the nice beachy textured beach wave. And now I want to show you the back. I mean, so many people have such a hard time curling the back of their hair or blow drying the back of their hair, but it's really not as hard as you think it is. I know you probably haven't seen other videos or people haven't told you like how to do that. So I just want to kind of quickly just tell you, you can just grab random pieces of hair like we did with the sides, just feel around, feel where it feels like still like not smooth or just straight, and just take those pieces. So I'm just gonna literally grab a piece of hair in the back, just take a section like we did through the sides, go through it once to heat it up, get the heat on there, take it, and we're just gonna keep curling away from our face. Wrap it once or twice, leave your ends in the curling iron and pull straight down while your ends are still in there.
Do it again.
Just go ahead and feel around the back of your head. Just take random sections. This does not need to be perfectly curled. And I'll show you how to see the back after we curl it. So we can go through and kind of just make sure we got the pieces we wanted to. Hopefully as you watch this, it's easier for you to style and get down. I know the movement is like so hard when you first start curling your hair, but I promise you as you go on, it will just get easier and easier. Now I'm going to show you how to check the back of your hair out to see what you've done with the back of your hair. So I grab my mirror, I just take it and I flip it around to see what it looks like. And as you can tell, it looks pretty waved. I know it looks a little messy, but I mean, that's what the look you're going for is. And see how I'm just like taking it, I'm just feeling around and just taking my mirror to help me guide my way through the back of my hair. And then you just want to turn back around, take your curling iron, and just like hit those pieces that I missed. Okay, we're gonna continue to do this until we get everything we want in the back. Okay, I think we got it. Let's check it out. Perfect. Okay, so So I think I finished. I always go through multiple times and just triple check everything. Okay, so after you've finished with the curls, curling your whole head, just now you wanna go through with the flat iron, Babyliss Nano Titanium, however you can see it, that way, flat iron. And I set it to 375, sometimes 450. Now what we're gonna do is take these front pieces. I like to just smooth out like the front section and then also just like these little hairs to smooth it out right on top. So take the flat iron and quickly just hit those little pieces and see how it instantly just like smooths your hair out. This is always the last step for me when I'm curling. Just take little sections, hit the little top pieces quick, and keep combing your waves throughout your hair here. And it really helps smooth the little flyaways out. And you notice I'm not going all the way through my ends, I'm just doing like the first little section from the scalp to like right about here, just to get those little flyaways settled down. Okay, so now if you want a straighter look in through your ends, or if you like notice some of your curls are too curly, you can kind of go through with the flat iron. Or if you notice, like for example, this is very wavy right here and I want to kind of smooth that out a little bit, just like hit it quickly and let it fall. I get these little baby hairs right here that just never tend to grow. They've never grown my whole life. I don't know what is wrong with them. But they always come out a little crimped. So I just like to kind of curl it into everything, and that's what you can use the straightener, the flat iron. You can use that to kind of like bend it into everything else. These little ones right here, these little guys, they never grow. They're stuck that short forever. Okay, so the last step, what I do is now I take the number 7 OLAPLEX bonding oil, and I literally just do like 1 drop. You don't need a lot of this. It really just helps to smooth out your hair after. And I kind of just like run it through my ends where it's like very dry and around my face. And I can kind of just like fix it how you want it to fall. All right, one more step. So the last step I really love to do is give my hair a little texture. This is called Beach Club by IGK. I'm like so obsessed. I love this spray. There's another spray they have called Dirty Spray. I just ran out of it and I don't have any more on me. I really have to go buy some more. But it's absolutely amazing. Hold it up and just spritz it as it falls. And as you can tell, it kind of created like a little bit of volume in through this section too. You can spritz it underneath. And then just like a little bit around the face here. There you have it. The undone textured tousled beach wave. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video today. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.